मैनचेस्टर से रुकन पार्लियामेंट बरतानिया अफजल खान ने इस्लामोफोबिया के हवाले से हुकूमत को आड़े हाथों लिया।
उनका कहना था हुकूमत इस्लामोफोबिया का शिकार पार्टी के 15 अरकान को बहाल करके गलत किया है। वजीर आजम ने अभी तक इस्लामोफोबिया पर कोई सख्त इकदाम नहीं उठाया। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आप भी देखिए।
This afternoon there is a reception in Parliament to honor the 51 Muslims killed in Christchurch. In the wake of this horrific terror attack, mosques were targeted in Birmingham and Newcastle. There is a global rise in Islamophobia, including in the ranks of the Tory party. In an article for the Times this week, their chairman could not even utter the word Islamophobia. How can they deal with a problem they can't even name? I asked the Prime Minister for the third time, when will the Conservative Party conduct an inquiry and adopt the APPG definition of Islamophobia?
Prime Minister.
Gentlemen, as I believe I have said to him before, when any allegations are made, allegations of Islamophobia, allegations of complaints are made about Conservatives, elected Conservatives, people in the Conservative Party that are made to the Conservative Party, we look at those very seriously, and action is taken in relation to the individuals. He referred to the attacks that have taken place against mosques. I absolutely condemn attacks that take place against mosques and against any place of worship. I'm pleased to say that my right honourable friend, the Home Secretary, has increased the funding that is available to support places of worship, to protect them from attacks that take place. This has no place in our society, and we should all be working to ensure that people can go to their place of worship and can feel that they are safe and secure in this country.